New York City 911, you need police, fire, medical.
There's a guy shooting in Noble Avenue
Noble and what?
between 174 and Cross Bronx.
Noble
He
between
shot?
174 and Cross Bronx. And anybody's injured?
Huh?
Anybody injured?
I don't know.
Did you see the person that's shooting? He's black, white, Spanish, Indian, Asian? Hello? The person that's shooting, male, black, white, Spanish, Indian, Asian?
Spanish.
You see what he's wearing?
No.
About how old does he look? Did you see how old he looked?
No, I don't know. I'm so nervous. I don't know.
You know which way he ran?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to leave your name or number?
No.
Assistance will be provided as soon as possible. I'm operator 2156.
2002.
Where is it? King.
Come on, come on.
Wait.
Just real quick,
Where?
3-year-old
¿Qué pasó, primo?
5.1, Wilkinson or what?
Where? Where? Hey! Put him down! Put him down! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! 3 David. Shots fired, Central.
Come over here. Come over here.
Down!
What did there? Shots fired, shots fired. No one, equal 7-4. No one,
Put your arms behind you. Put it!
Got it.
Nobody's hurt, Central.
Are you stupid?
In custody.
Got it already.
What did there? Shots fired. No one.
We're gonna have a white male, white tank top. He has it. He has
5.1, Wilkinson or what?
174. 174. He has it in his hand.
Where?
His hand. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
3 David.
Come over here! Come over here! Come over here! Come over here! Keep your hands! Keep your fucking hands!